There are many products available to choose from the 4 best portable generators, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Tip. WEN 56203i Super Quiet 2000 watt portable inverter generator with fuel shutoff, carb compliant, ultra lightweight. Ultralight body weighs in at a mere 39 pounds for easy transport and storage. Extremely quiet operation comparable to the sound of a normal conversation according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Produces 2000 surge watts and 1700 rated watts of clean power for safe charging of sensitive electronics. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300, 293 watt-hours backup lithium battery, 110 volts/300 watts pure sine wave AC outlet, solar generator, solar panel not included, for outdoors camping, travel, hunting, blackout. Speed up your rechargeability. It takes only 2 hours to recharge 80% battery of the power station through the wall outlet and 60 watts PD USB-C port simultaneously. You can also recharge your power station with an AC adapter when at home, through the car outlet during a road trip, or simply use a Jackery Solar Saga 100. WEN 5638i Super Quiet 3800 watt RV ready portable EPA 3N carb compliant 212cc 4-stroke OHV engine produces 3800 surge watts and 3400 rated watts with a half-load runtime of up to 8.5 hours. Fuel shutoff maximizes the generator's lifespan by using up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before shutting down. Produces clean power to prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets and laptops. Generac 7127 AC 3500 watt portable. Ultra quiet, -40% quieter than Honda. Advanced inverter technology and enclosure design provide optimal quiet performance, over 5 decibels quieter than the EU3000 is, based on independent third-party testing. Ideal for work or play. Durable steel enclosure, clean inverter power and easy portability make this the ideal generator for job sites or recreational activities. 16% more power than Honda, featuring Power Rush advanced technology. Rated AC frequency, 60 Hz. Digital smart LCD, digital wattage meter, runtime remaining display, generator status, hour meter and fuel level.